Backyard Farmer rocks!
I'm Roch Gaussoin, and I hate clover.
Okay, put your finger down just a little
No, I like
bit.
it in front of my face.
Okay.
Next to Fred is Extension Turfgrass Specialist, Roch Gaussoin. Hello, Roch. Haven't seen you for a little while.
I was here last week.
You were?
Yes.
That's a little while.
Isn't that interesting, Lauren, how when they're describing diseases, they say cat vomit, poop, and measles. And it's your passion.
Gosh, Kim, this would be a perfect place for a green ash or maybe a gosh, golly gee willikers.
Greetings, I'm Professor P. Cantaloupe. In this class, you were supposed to learn a few things, but I've noticed from the exams you haven't done very well.
So when I retire, you can show that on air. I don't care.